Hey G Squad, welcome back to the episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool Amazon right here, and basically what this is a Bluetooth wireless microphone. So you basically use it like a karaoke microphone, which is pretty awesome. So when you guys first get the product, this is basically what the packaging looks right here. If you guys turn it this side right here, you guys can see how I actually show you guys all the different buttons controls on here. But I'll actually open this up to show you guys what the product looks like before I test it out. Alright, so when you guys first open the package, you guys can see that this is basically actually looks like inside. Let's take everything out. So first thing we can see inside, they do provide a user manual to teach you guys how to use the product. And inside right here, you can see they provide guys some cables. So they do provide a USB to micro USB cable right here. And right here we have a micro USB to aux cable right here. And then last but not least, we have the actual microphone right here. If you can see, it definitely looks pretty nice. And for this microphone, they have it in a few other colors available as well. They have it in like blue, purple, and gold. The one that we got right here is a rose gold color. If you can see, it definitely looks pretty nice. And then right here, you can see we have all the different button options on here. If you turn it down this way, you guys can see there's a bunch of other options available here as well. So there's a TF card option, there's a micro USB option, there's a recording outlet right here, and then there's a USB option. But basically for this product, it gives you guys the option to use Bluetooth option, or if you guys want to use the aux option, you can definitely use either option. And not only does this product work as a microphone, but you can definitely use it as a speaker as well. And in terms of the battery life that's on here, one full charge will give you guys roughly around 5 hours of usage on here. And for this product, it gives you guys the option to record audio on here, which is pretty cool. And then probably one of the coolest thing about this product is the fact that it gives you guys 5 voice changing options. So that's definitely really cool because I tested other similar products and it doesn't have that option available, except for one other one that I tested that actually has the option. For those of you guys who don't know what I'm talking about, let me show you guys really quick. So let's say for example, if I want to play this song right here. So while the song is playing right here, if you guys want to sing on here, you definitely can. So I'm going to use like echo on here. You definitely can use echo on here if it's in here. So definitely a really cool device if it's in here, how it actually works really well in terms of the audio and also an echo as well. If I want to change a different mode on here, just press the mode button right here.
Bluetooth mode. Bluetooth connected.
So this is another voice. If you guys can hear it, it sounds very interesting. But definitely when we test out the speaker on this one versus this one right here, the speaker on this one definitely performs a lot better. But let's test out the microphone on here versus this one right here. Alright, so basically what you're listening to right now is the audio that's coming from here. Now let me test out the other one right here and show you guys what that sounds like as well. Alright, so here is what it sounds like on this one right here. If you guys can hear, it actually sounds pretty good. So when I compare this one versus the other one, it's almost about the same, but it seems like this one performs a little bit better. But definitely one of the main differences I noticed about this one versus the other one that we have right here is the light that lights up on the side. And also when you guys play the music on here using the speaker, this one seems a lot better than this one as well. Right, so you see those previous products that you viewed in the past, those work pretty well, but there's only one of them that give you guys the voice changing option. Whereas this one right here, like I mentioned, give you guys 5 of them. So I'm actually turn this on and show you guys how that works. So basically the way how you guys turn it on, you guys want to press the power button right here on top. But if it's your first time using the product, you definitely need to fully charge it first. So I'm going to plug in the cable to show you guys how to charge it first. Alright, so we got my cable right here. I basically want to plug in the bottom part right here. So I'm not sure if it's here or not, but in the bottom part right here, they do have a red indicator light. So that is how you guys know when it's charging. I'm gonna let this fully charge first before I actually test it out. Alright, so it looks like the product is charged up a little bit. Let me actually test it out to see how it works. So we turn on the top part right here.
Line in.
Alright, so it works. But let's test it out to see how well the audio works on here. So first thing I want to do is turn on the mic right here. You guys can hear it, this is basically actually sounds like when you guys turn it on. And it actually has like an auto on and auto off. So when you guys are talking, it actually turns on. And once I stop talking, it turns off by itself, which is pretty cool. And then if you guys want to use the echo option on here, you basically want to turn on the switch right here. If you guys can hear, you can definitely hear the echo now. And if you guys want to change the different voice options on here, you basically want to press and hold this button right here in the middle. So if you guys can hear, this is basically actually sounds like now. If I press it again, this is what it sounds like now. So it's a different voice if you guys can hear. If I press it again, here is another one if you guys can hear what it sounds like. If I press it again, here is another option right here if you guys can hear what it sounds like. If we press it again, this is what it sounds like for this one right here, if you guys can hear. So those are the 5 different options on here. If you guys can hear, it's actually really cool. And if you guys want to increase or lower the volume on here, you definitely can use the button right here. I'm assuming that's for changing the volume on the music. If you guys want to adjust the volume for your voice, you basically want to turn this option down right here. So I'm actually connected on Bluetooth right now and test it out.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
Alright, so if you guys want to change the Bluetooth option on here, you basically want to press the button one time on top.
The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
Alright, so it's connected. Let's test out the audio on here. Alright, so here the speaker on here is actually really loud, which is pretty awesome. So that way, if you guys want to do karaoke on here, you can definitely turn it on max, and you can definitely turn on the voice option and the echo option at the same time. And if you guys want to play and pause the music or skip the music, you can definitely press this button here as well. Alright, so you see everything on here definitely works really well. But that is basically everything that's on the product here. Now to unboxing and testing the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially if you guys are trying to look for a high quality Bluetooth karaoke microphone that has everything on here that the other one that I show you guys does not have, such as the voice changing option on here, the louder speaker option on here, and a clear audio when you guys use this product here, then this is definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.